How to get God chest plate in Minecraft. So first what you will need is make sure that your commands and cheats are enabled, and to do that you just simply need to click on escape, click on open to land, make sure that allow cheats is turned on, and just simply click on start land world. Once that's done, you simply need to go to the description of this video and copy the command that I will put right there. So once you've copied it, go back to Minecraft, click on letter T on your keyboard to open up the command line and paste the command. So once that's done, you simply need to click on enter. So this will only work on versions of Minecraft that is 1.20.4 and older. So now I now have the God chestplate which has a thorns enchantment, protection, mending, fire protection, and blast protection. So as you can see, it is currently capped at level 255 since this is the version of Minecraft which is 1.20.4. But if you're on older versions, you can get the level 1000 version of this God chestplate right here. So now I'm just gonna simply equip it right here, and I now have the God chestplate right there. And that's how you basically get the God chestplate in Minecraft.